Hi everybody, my name is Paola Verrucchi and I am a physicist at the Italian Research Council and the Department of Physics of the University of Florence. Today I will tell you a few words about the way quantum mechanics describes the measurement process, which is the process via which an observer gains information upon a system of interest, also known as the observed object. To avoid confusion between the two terms, observer and observed, for the next few minutes I will call the observer baby P and the observed object her finger. So, quantum mechanics describes a measurement as a three-step process. Everything starts with a substantial interaction between baby P and her finger, thanks to which they exchange information on each other. During this interaction, baby P and her finger are a unique composite system, and you cannot even say who is questioning who. After enough time, the second step starts, which is when baby P becomes capable of asking her finger a question that has understandable, for her obviously, answers. For instance, is this sweet or salty? Well, we can take that her finger is neither definitely sweet or utterly salty, but rather a superposition of both. However, given the question asked by baby P, the answer can only be sweet or salty. Now the third step comes. Baby P obtains an answer, say salty, and not surprisingly, if she goes on asking the same question over and over again, the finger will stay salty. You might think that this is simply because baby P has made up her mind about the taste of her finger, but this cannot be an acceptable reasoning if we are dealing with observers that are called experimental apparatuses rather than tiny little babies. In fact, what quantum mechanics tells us is that after the answer salty is obtained, her finger has truly become salty, because the very same process of answering has completely obliterated the sweet component of its taste. If you find this surprising, don't worry, you are not alone. In fact, physicists still discuss about what they call the collapse into the state that corresponds to the obtained answer. Why does it happen? What causes it? And how it is physically realized? We don't really know yet. However, is this the end of the story? Not really, because, you should now ask, what about the sweet component of her finger? Is there any way baby P can appreciate it? Well, if baby P were able to start the tasting session from the very beginning, in the very same conditions as before, as if nothing had happened whatsoever, yet the answer might be different, and baby P could end up knowing that her finger is sweet. No surprise. After all, before the question is answered, her finger is indeed sweet and salty. And finally, can you predict the answer obtained by baby P? Not really. The only tool provided by quantum mechanics to this respect is the so-called Bond rule, that tells us what is the probability of obtaining one of the possible answers in one of the many repetitions of the same identical experiment. By the way, baby P is Petra, the newborn daughter of my niece Camilla. Thank you for watching, and bye!